Did you know dehumidification plays a vital role in the production of your favorite foods? From beer brewing to meat processing, fruit and vegetable growth, DST dehumidification systems are essential in maintaining optimal humidity levels for your products. High humidity can lead to spoilage and microbial growth, while low levels can result in dry and brittle products. With our systems, you can preserve your product's quality and shelf life while reducing production energy costs. One of the key technologies of food production is spray drying process, for instance. This method is used to convert liquid food products into dry, powdered forms such as powdered milk, instant soups, and coffee. But the presence of high humidity can cause the spray nozzle to clog, affecting the final product's quality and appearance. By installing a DST dehumidifier in the drying chamber or in the exhaust airstream, moisture is removed from the air, preventing product caking, discoloration, and microbial growth. Perishable foods such as strawberries and tomatoes require humidity control too. High relative humidity can have negative effects on the appearance, taste, and nutritional value, often leading to discoloration, rot, and loss of flavor. Greenhouse cultivation is a popular method of moisture control that creates a regulated environment for optimal growth. At DST, we provide customized dehumidification solutions specifically designed for greenhouses to prevent condensation and microbial growth while also optimizing proper ventilation, air circulation, and temperature control for the growing and harvesting process. Our dehumidification systems are essential for maintaining a healthy and thriving environment for your crops, ensuring they reach their full potential in terms of quality, yield, and overall value. Dehumidification is crucial for maintaining optimal conditions in breweries. Without it, mold can grow on barley and negatively affect the taste of beer and overall production capacity. Furthermore, high humidity levels can cause label damage, impacting brand image and sales. By implementing proper dehumidification systems from DST, breweries can ensure that their products retain their desired taste, production capacity is maximized, and label damage is minimized. With installation of our customized units, breweries can achieve optimal conditions for their brewing processes, resulting in consistently excellent beer and satisfied customers. When it comes to proteins, proper humidity control is necessary to achieve the desired flavor and texture of aged and cured meats. Without it, the products may become unusable or unsafe for consumption. Maintaining a controlled environment with the right humidity level is essential to prevent the growth of harmful bacteria and mold, ensuring that the fish and meat remain fresh and safe for consumption and ultimately extending the shelf life of the products. So next time you enjoy your favorite food products, remember that behind the scenes, dehumidification is playing a critical role in ensuring the quality and safety of your food. Don't compromise on the quality of your products. Choose DST dehumidification systems today. We are DST, world leaders in dehumidification.